In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to delete a YouTube channel permanently. So all you have to do is click on your profile picture here. Make sure that you're on the right channel you want to delete, otherwise you can switch accounts. So when you're on the right channel, you will just click on YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel, Advanced Settings, scroll down, Remove YouTube Content. You will just have to verify that it's you. When you have verified it, you will get the option to either hide my content, as you can see, it will hide your YouTube videos and playlists, or you can permanently delete content. But you need to confirm this first. So confirm, and delete my content. Type in your channel name, delete my content, and your content is being deleted. It usually just takes a couple minutes, but it can take up to a few days.